Hey, what's up guys, welcome to the JavaScript tutorial. So in this series of videos we are going to cover from the basic concept of JavaScript all the way to the advanced concept. So first of all, the question is, what is JavaScript? So JavaScript is a programming language and it is extensively used for the development of the web. That's why JavaScript also known as the programming language of the web. And also because the JavaScript programming language is easy to learn, that's why JavaScript is one of the most popular programming language in the world. So if you look at the data, JavaScript is the second most in demand programming language after the Python. And also JavaScript has wide range of uses. Like an example, first of all, it can be used to develop the web applications. So JavaScript can be used to develop the robust web applications. So one of the known example of the web application is the Google Map, where the user can interact with the Google Map web application. And secondly, JavaScript can be used for the web development purpose. So we can use the JavaScript and we can create web pages. So JavaScript allows us to add dynamic behavior to the web page. Like an example, we can add special effects to the web page. And also JavaScript can be used for the page validation purpose. And thirdly, JavaScript can be used to develop the mobile applications. So we can use different frameworks like the React Native, and we can create mobile application for different operating system. And fourthly, also we can develop games. So we can use different frameworks like Physics.js, or we can use Pixie.js. So we can use those framework and we can create games by using JavaScript. And also JavaScript can be used to create server application. So we can use Node.js, which provides the environment and all the necessary tools required for JavaScript to run on server. And the JavaScript can generate content and also can handle the HTTP request. And also JavaScript can be used to create web servers. So we can create web server by using the Node.js. So the server we create by using the Node.js is very fast. And also some other uses is that we can use the JavaScript and we can validate the user input before submission of the form. And also we can display dialog boxes and the pop-up windows with the help of JavaScript. So you can see JavaScript has a very wide range of uses. That's what makes the JavaScript one of the most popular programming language. In the next video, we're going to talk about how we can execute JavaScript in our system. So hope you understand the concept. We'll see you in the next one. Thank you.